What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2026, and the market will be opening any second now. I'm going to be day trading MNQ, micro contracts, NASDAQ futures. Let's see what kind of trades we can get today. Here we go, market's open. We had that nice strong push up yesterday evening because of Trump calling for a ceasefire for 2 weeks or something. I'm not 100% sure what all was said, but based on that 1 hour chart, we probably need a pullback at some point. That doesn't mean we have to get it today during the New York session, but it's a possibility, so I'm definitely looking out for that. We have this 1 hour fair value gap there, and then the 15-minute fair value gap here for the smaller box. And it's probably hard for you to see my 15-minute chart over here, but I have it marked on every chart, so I'll be looking for that just in case we get some strong momentum to the downside. That can act as a potential target. So let's see what happens.
Order canceled.
Okay, so that trade I just took, I need to mark that actually. I considered holding it longer, but it was looking questionable. But I will take another trade if we get a good setup, targeting that fair value gap, the 1 hour and the 15 fair value gaps, if we continue this momentum down. But I had my stop loss set at break even on that, and I made a pretty decent profit on that for the first trade of the day. And even if that's the only trade of the day, that's a pretty decent day. But it looks like the momentum is trying to continue for now. Alright, so I shorted here. I'll mark that. If we get a strong close on bar 3, I will take another short. But we had so much momentum from that push from yesterday afternoon that I'm not sure if we're going to push down and fill those gaps right now, but it's possible. so I'm just kind of being cautious. That's why I didn't keep. That's why I didn't hold that first trade and just hope that it made it all the way down to this gap right here, because it doesn't have to. We could pull back up here, retest this 20 first, and then some more sellers step in where this big wick is right here on this 119 point bar 1. Then we could see another push down possibly, but just being cautious. And if there's a setup for a potential huge trade like that, it's okay to split it into 2 trades. You know, I just grabbed, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 points on that first trade, and I'm okay with getting out with that profit and then just waiting for another setup. You know, I do miss the chance of catching that whole move down if it happens, but I'll catch most of it anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Split into 2 trades. Okay, so it's currently 9:35. I've still only taken the 1 short right here at the bottom of bar 2. There was a couple of potential trades here. A short from that 20 EMA, a short at the close of bar 5. Those would have both been winners. I didn't take either one because I'm mainly just focused on these A+ momentum scalp trades. Today is an FOMC day. There's the FOMC minutes meeting at 1. So today could just be a choppy day like this for the rest of the day. I'm up 453 so far on the day, so I'm just going to call it a day with this 1 trade. I might keep an eye on things, and if we get a perfect setup towards the downside, towards these gaps, I still might end up taking that. But as of right now, it looks like I'm just done for the day. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments down below, and I also have a Discord. You can join that through the link in the description on the channel. And until next time, peace out.